Namaskar. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Pyramid Energy Healing series. In this video, as you can read in the title, pyramids used in acupressure. How can we use pyramids in acupressure therapy? Sounds like how the hell we can do it? How we can use pyramids in acupressure? It's two completely different things, right? Yeah, sounds right. But if you can use, the first thing is, suppose you are watching this video, that means you must be having some awareness, some basic knowledge about acupressure. Or I can just tell you in one line that in our body we have some energy points, pressure points. If we treat them, so we can treat the whole body. So uh, I'm not going to teach you in this video about acupressure, how to do acupressure. I'm just going to explain how can we use pyramid shape to accelerate the healing while doing the acupressure. So the good news is nowadays in market such instruments are available. With the help of these instruments, like they are, when you do the acupressure, nowadays we have instruments by which we can do acupressure. Earlier it was mostly by your hands, thumbs, fingers, but nowadays people are using more and more uh, instruments also, acupressure instruments also. And we are getting such instruments also in the market with pyramidal shape, which to accelerate the healing, because the shape of pyramid, as I told you, it's a very favorable shape and it increases the healing time. So yeah, you will get healed quickly. So I also have one instrument, that is power mat. It's just a mat having a pyramid shape in between. Every morning I just stand on it for some time, and there are some more instruments like this. So if you are interested, in description box I will just try to give the list of these instruments which you can use, the acupressure instruments with the pyramidal shape. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to share my video